This thing came here for headers, but the guy said it had a misfire too. It's bone stock 2014 with a A&A kit. We looked at plugs, it needs plugs, but we don't want to change the plugs just to baseline it. We're just gonna see if it has a misfire and what the issue is with it. We noticed the catch can didn't have a check valve in it, which is a huge no-no. It's basically blowing boost into the catch can, which is not good.
Nice.
So, you turn the fan on. So we'll see if it's got a miss or not.
Is it?
I'm gonna do one more.
I didn't even think it was going to make that.
Yeah, I did. 7 pounds. Doesn't have a misfire or anything though, so.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
800 torque, that's crazy.
Nah, the second one's right,
I know.
thankfully.
I know. Damn, Matt has another vet. What's this thing getting? Just headers?
Headers. I think I'm doing another vet after this too.
Dang.
I was due for some new scenery.
Yeah. Non-stop Camaros for months. Knock that out quick. First start up with the headers.
Okay, 2014 C7 has an A&A kit on it, and we basically just did headers, plugs, and an oil change. It came from Rhode Island. I made some pulls on it just to get it close because it obviously already had a file in here, but I completely redid all that. So made a new file, just got it close, and see what we got. Thank you, sir. why, because it wasn't 10 minutes ago when I made a pull. But it made 542, 541 torque on 5.95 pounds, but it wasn't a full pull. I let out 5,800. .73, 532. I hate LT1s with stock pistons. Stock pistons suck in these things. This thing baselined like 540 or something, I think, when it got here. .83, 540 torque. It's all you, Chris. Little base model, C7. Does make cool noises. Which is your favorite? .589, 543. I'm gonna let this thing chill for a few, and we'll be back for final pull later. Okay, not a long cool down, like 20 minutes or so. The final 1 or 2 pulls. If it makes 600 on the first pull, I may make another. We'll see, but probably not. Nope. 592, 543. That's all she's got, but picked up like 50 wheel or something. We'll put how much it did right here. I mean, either way, pretty much solid for headers and a tune. So that's it. Back to Rhode Island later.